Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we'll show you how to get GIFs on iPhone keyboard using a simple method with a third-party app. It's fast, fun, and works great with your messages. Now let's get started. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. This is where you can find apps to enhance your device's functionality. Next, type in GIPHY or any other GIF app you prefer, and download it to your phone. These apps have huge libraries of animated GIFs to choose from. Once the app is installed, follow the instructions inside it to enable the GIF keyboard in your iPhone's settings. This step is important so the keyboard becomes available while you type. Now open iMessage and tap the plus icon on the keyboard. From there, select the GIPHY keyboard to switch to the third-party option. Finally, search for the GIF you want by typing a keyword. Then tap the one you like to send it instantly in your message. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more easy tech tips.